Hello everyone. Babies, you better listen to your mommy. To your parents, because they will take care of you and protect you in the future.
Future lang.
Yeah, future. I'm just kidding. Every day. So, listen to your parents. Always, or else they're gonna hug you.
I love you forever like this.
Ah!
Always love you forever, always and forever. Ano pa? Ano pa sasabihin mo? Ew!
I don't care.
Ano ba? Kahit bangsit
Listen
ka.
to your mom when you need to take a shower.
Because you are bangsit. I love you even you are bangsit.